So we're gonna look at circles, and the basic thing to remember first about a circle is a diameter is a line that goes from one side of the circle to the another side of the circle, and it passes through the center. If it does not pass through the center, that is called a chord. So a diameter goes from one side of the circle to the other side of the circle, passing through the center. And the radius is one side of the circle to the center. So as you can see, if the diameter is 10, that means the radius is half of 10, which is 5. And other way around, if the radius is 5, that means the diameter is 2 times the radius, and that would be 10. Now, we're going to look at circumference now. So if we were to find the circumference of the circle, the circumference is pi d, or 2 pi r. Well, same thing, since the radius is twice the diameter, that's where the 2 comes in. But let's focus on this one first, okay? So circumference means the outside of the circle, okay? So circumference is the perimeter of the circle. So if you want to find a fence, or let's say even better, fencing that is circle, but even better if you tie a dog to a tree, right? And the string is 5 feet long. He's able to go around the circle. That's the maximum perimeter that he can only go around, okay? So if we look at circumference is pi d. Oh, I'm sorry. The first thing we're going to do is substitute for d, which is 10. And when we substitute for d, that's 10. We do 10 pi. Now, there's a pi button that you can use in your calculators to calculate this, or you can just use pi equals, right here, pi is equal to 3.14, and on the sheet it tells you that it's equal to 3.142. So if you multiply it, you're gonna get approximately 31.42, or 31 and 42 hundredths. Okay? Now, similarly, in the other one, if it's c equals 2 pi r, you substitute 5 for r, right? Well, I rearranged it so it's 2r, because 2r is twice the radius, which is the diameter. And then we substitute, we do 2 times 5 equals pi, then it's 10 pi, and then we'll still get the same answer. Okay? If you have any questions, please email me.